Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Fidelity detailed guide step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Fidelity, visit the Fidelity website or open the Fidelity mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts to sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the Planning and Guidance section. Select Budgeting from the options available. Review the tools Fidelity offers for budgeting support. Begin by entering your income sources in the budgeting tool. Include all forms of income, such as salary, bonuses, and other earnings. Next, list your monthly expenses. Be thorough in detailing fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Next, add variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. After entering all income and expenses, review your total income and total expenses. Fidelity's tool will automatically calculate the difference between your income and expenses. Identify areas where you may need to cut back or adjust spending. Utilize Fidelity's Savings Goals feature to set specific targets. Choose the time frame for achieving each savings goal. Consider using Fidelity's investment options to grow your savings over time. Set up alerts to help keep track of your budget health. Regularly review your budget for accuracy and make adjustments when needed. Take advantage of Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your budgeting skills. Stay disciplined and mindful of your spending habits as you implement your budget. Finally, reassess your budget on a monthly basis to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.